I'm Darren Carrier. I have a little invention I wanted to share with you, see if maybe you're interested in it. What it is an attachment for the Stanley tape measures. It is more or less, a lot like this one here that you've made. It's a bigger grab. However, it incorporates what I invented for tape measures, and that's a rounded bottom. Rounded with special angles, lets it go up things like roofs. Very rough and uneven surfaces like roofs are very hard to measure with a tape measure. Being tape measure is the best way to measure something, in my opinion. I created this rounded bottom for tape measure end piece. Incorporated with the Stanley, what would you say, clip and the raised rivets, it becomes an attachment that you can take and put onto your tape measure, and then you can measure roofs. It'll slide right up on even surfaces, and you can get exact measurements safely, keeping you off the roof, of course. It attaches and unattaches just like the other attachments. It has the same exact clip, so it can clip on and off. I'll show you that right now. So you can take this tape measure end piece and just unclip it. It's become unclipped there, and then you just take it off of the end. Once it's off the end, you can just slip it into the back. I've made a little spot on this tape measure. There's plenty of room inside the housing for the tongue. It can sit back there, and you can use the tape measure just like you normally would. You can still clip it on your belt. You can still put it in your pouch. You can still do just about everything you can do with it. And now with this attachment, it has the larger hook, of course, so you can grab onto things much easier, like measuring siding on the side of a house. And you can measure up the roof now. You can get that measurement from the eave to the ridge, which is very difficult measurement to get now. In the past, there were dimensional shingles that you could actually just count, and you could figure out how big the roof is. Architectural shingles have been around now for 25 years plus. Most roofs that are being replaced now are architectural shingles, and they're being measured either very dangerously or very poorly. This allows you to get exact measurements, and very quickly and very safely. So that's what I do for a living. I measure roofs and siding and windows, and I've been using this product for a couple years now, and it works extremely well. It helps me to do my job safely, and helps me to get a lot of jobs that other people are probably guessing how big the roof is, when I'm able to use this and know exactly how big it is. So I'm going to have a video in a minute to show exactly how it works. It's extremely easy to use. Like I said, it's not much more expensive probably than to make this little piece here, and that's probably not a lot. But the use is great. Roofers need it, estimators need it, insurance adjusters need it, solar guys are out there now all over, they're measuring roofs, they need it. There's millions of roofs, there's millions of roofers and siding and construction workers that need this product to help keep them safe and do their job right. So hopefully you'll consider it. I'm going to show a video on how it works. Like I said, I've made a great little spot in the back of the tape measures where it can be inserted to just put it away. And like this is even good for the bigger hook that you already have. What a great spot for it, because now it's out of the way. It doesn't get in the way at all, and it doesn't impede at all. So that is my, I call the inchworm tape measure end piece. It's just a term I use, but I think it's kind of fun, and it explains what it does. So look forward to the video to follow. Thank you very much.